Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So, today we learn some daily use Gujarati sentences and phrases. So, the very first is, why are you silent? Tu kem chup cho? Why are you silent? Tu kem chup cho? Tu kem chup cho? Okay. So here silent is equals chup in Gujarati. Silent is equals chup in Gujarati. So the complete sentence will be Tu kem chup cho? Why are you silent? Tu kem chup cho? The next one is Today is my birthday. આજે મારો જન્મદિવસ છે. Today is my birthday. આજે મારો જન્મદિવસ છે. So in this sentence, birthday is equals જન્મદિવસ. In this sentence, birthday is equals જન્મદિવસ. So the complete sentence will be આજે મારો જન્મદિવસ છે. I am repeating. Today is my birthday is equals આજે મારો જન્મદિવસ છે. Next one is he is a good boy. તે સારો છોકરો છે. He is a good boy is equals તે સારો છોકરો છે. So in this sentence, good boy is equals સારો છોકરો. In this sentence, good boy is equals સારો છોકરો. So the complete sentence will be તે સારો છોકરો છે. She is a good girl. તેણી સારી છોકરી છે. So instead of તે, for girl we have to use તેણી, and instead of સારો we will use સારી. So the complete sentence will be તેણી સારી છોકરી છે. I am repeating. She is a good girl. તેણી સારી છોકરી છે. The next one is I want to say something is equals હું કંઈક કહેવા માંગુ છું. I want to say something. હું કંઈક કહેવા માંગુ છું. So in this sentence, something is equals કંઈક. In this sentence, something is equals કંઈક. And I want to say is equals હું કહેવા માંગુ છું. I want to say is equals હું કહેવા માંગુ છું. So the complete sentence will be હું કંઈક, કંઈક is for something. હું કંઈક કહેવા માંગુ છું. Alright guys, I'm repeating. I want to say something. હું કંઈક કહેવા માંગુ છું. The next one is hurry up is equals જલ્દી કરો. Hurry up is equals જલ્દી કરો. I am repeating. Hurry up, જલ્દી કરો. The next one is that's enough is equals તે પૂરતું છે. That's enough. તે પૂરતું છે. The next one is it is our tradition. તે અમારી પરંપરા છે. So in this sentence, tradition is equals parampara. In this sentence, tradition is equals parampara. So the complete sentence will be તે અમારી પરંપરા છે. It is our tradition. તે અમારી પરંપરા છે. The next one is I am too busy today. આજે હું બહુ વ્યસ્ત છું. I am too busy today. આજે હું બહુ વ્યસ્ત છું. So in this sentence, busy is equals व्यस्त. In this sentence, busy is equals व्यस्त. And for today, we can use આજે. And for today, we can use આજે. So the complete sentence will be આજે હું બહુ વ્યસ્ત છું. I'm too busy today. આજે હું બહુ વ્યસ્ત છું. The next one is it's our responsibility. તે અમારી જવાબદારી છે. It's our responsibility. તે અમારી જવાબદારી છે. So in this sentence, responsibility is equals જવાબદારી. Responsibility is equals જવાબદારી. Alright guys, I'm repeating. It's our responsibility. તે અમારી જવાબદારી છે. The next one is it's our duty. તે અમારી ફરજ છે. It's our duty. તે અમારી ફરજ છે. So in this sentence, duty is equals ફરજ. In this sentence, duty is equals ફરજ. I am repeating. It's our duty. તે અમારી ફરજ છે. The next one is where is he? તે ક્યાં છે? Where is he? તે ક્યાં છે? Alright guys. And if you are asking about girl, like for example, where is she? તેણી ક્યાં છે? Where is she? તેણી ક્યાં છે? I am repeating. Where is he is equals તે ક્યાં છે? And where is she? તેણી ક્યાં છે? The next one is I am talking. હું વાત કરું છું. In this sentence, talking is equals વાત કરું. In this sentence, talking is equals વાત કરું. So the complete sentence will be હું વાત કરું છું. I am repeating. I am talking. હું વાત કરું છું. Let me go. મને જવા દ્યો. Let me go. મને જવા દ્યો. I am repeating. Let me go. મને જવા દ્યો. The next one is no hurry. ઉતાવળ નથી. No hurry. ઉતાવળ નથી. Alright guys, let's have some quick exercise from our previous session. I hope you guys remember all those sessions. So the very first question over here is, what word is used for family in Gujarati? Correct. Family means parivar in Gujarati. Family is equals parivar in Gujarati. Family is equals parivar in Gujarati. The next question is, how would you say that is my bag in Gujarati? Well done. તે મારી બેગ છે. That is my bag is equals તે મારી બેગ છે. Next question is, how would you say house word in Gujarati? Correct guys. House is equals ઘર in Gujarati. House is equals ઘર in Gujarati. What word is used for cousin in Gujarati? Correct. Cousin is equals પિતરાઈ. If I want to say he's my cousin brother in Gujarati, I should use તે મારો પિતરાઈ ભાઈ છે. So brother means ભાઈ and cousin means પિતરાઈ. In the same way, if I want to say she is my cousin sister, so I can use તેણી મારી પિતરાઈ બહેન છે. So you guys know the meaning of brother is equals ભાઈ and the meaning of sister in Gujarati is equals બહેન. Alright. The next one is, how would you say talk to him in Gujarati? Well done. તેની સાથે વાત કર. Talk to him is equals તેની સાથે વાત કર. Thank you so much, my dear friends, to watching the full video. I hope you guys enjoying all my videos and learning Gujarati very well. If you like my all videos, click on like button, share with your friends so they can also learn Gujarati, and subscribe my YouTube channel to find all such a videos to learn Gujarati. We'll meet again with new video. Take care. Jai Shri Krishna.